Hey guys, welcome back to Front Seat Driver. My name is Jason. Today is another episode of Corvettes, Coffee, and Installs. However, unfortunately, Steve from Protective Dad Pranks is not with us today, but we are here at Midnight Custom Cars. Gonna get something done that I've been wanting to do for about a year now. We never got around to doing it because the part that I wanted to use from GM was not available. It might be available now, but we're still not using it. This will be a custom piece, but we're actually doing two different mods today. So stay tuned. I think you'll be excited. So here's the before with the charcoal gray, black seatbelt, whatever the actual color is. But I have the yellow stitching. So that's why we wanted to make the change. So let me know what you think. I'm pretty excited about the difference that it's gonna make. So if you guys see all this part that's disassembled, this is in part why I wasn't gonna take on this project, besides the fact that we couldn't get the parts from GM because they didn't actually make them in the last year, and they still may not, I don't know. But it's coming along, but you see all this? Now Steve, on the other hand, is good enough. He took away his whole dashboard, he took apart. We weren't gonna go that route, but look at all this. So the final product will be coming up very soon, so stay tuned. All right, guys, they should be done, so let's go take a look. However, before we do, I want to show you some of the cool stuff they do. This star headliner looks really good. There's a lot of time and effort involved in making this happen, so it's really cool. But anyway, you can see some of the interior work they've done on these Brom seats. But check out some of these interiors. Look at that. I think this looks really cool. I love that natural. Very cool stuff. Anyway, you can go to their website, their Instagram page and look. But so these are all the different styles that they do, the different colors. So the one we're going with today is this orange. I really think this orange is gonna look fantastic in my car. It's gonna really offset that yellow. Okay, no, I'm kidding. We're not doing that. We're not doing that. But that would be funny if I did. I'm sure I would get plenty of bad looks. But anyway, let's run out and take a look at it right now. Midnight Custom Cars. Oh, real quick too, if you like the underglow lighting, man, they do a great job of underglow lighting as well. And so you can have them do that if you're interested. But let's check it out. This is the final product. So as you can see here, the yellow seat belts. I think they look perfect in here because it's just enough with the rev match and the yellow stitching, and now the yellow seat belts look fantastic. So anyway, we got one more mod to go and that will wrap it up. Anyway, let's go take care of that other mod. Man, guys, check this out. This Dodge Cummins diesel truck got brand new red steering wheel. They added the seat inserts. Check this out. These new seat covers look fantastic with the red inserts. Man, that looks so good. The red stitching on these. But check out this Starlight headliner. They literally have to go in, poke the holes with a pin, and come in and insert each and every light. That is a ton of work, guys. But look how good that looks. Definitely impressive. What do you guys think? I like this. It reminds me of Rolls-Royce. I've seen some of the Rolls-Royce videos, and they have that Starlight headliner that looks really good. But check out how great these seats look. Man, if you guys need your seats redone or anything like that, come on out to Midnight Custom Cars in Louisville because they knocked it out of the park. And I've seen some other stuff, and stay tuned because I've got some C8 stuff coming up as well on here. The red seat belts look so good. All right, guys, so it's been a while. It's probably been 6 weeks since I started this video, but due to really bad weather, due to work conditions, haven't had a lot of opportunity to finally finish this video up. But this portion, again, it's something that I'm really excited about. It's not the biggest mod, but to me, little mods can make a big difference, and this is one of the ones that I feel is gonna make a difference. It's the little things that people don't really see that you do to your car, but that set it apart from some of the others. This portion is partially sponsored by ACS Composite. The other one is Dad's Garage, because you guys know I mostly do my installs and things like that over at Steve's house. We usually use his tools with Protective Dad Pranks to do all the little repairs and different modifications to his car, to my car. Today we're doing it at my house because, well, frankly, I got to get this video done. It's been forever. But I do want to say thank you to ACS Composite, and let's take a look at what they sent. All right, guys, so here we have it. ACS Composite black lug nuts. Let's open these up and see what they look like. They're always packaged really well. One of the great things about ACS. If you can see, I'll have to install these black lug nuts on the Z06. Right now, my wheels are carbon flash black painted, and we're going to install the black lug nuts. Again, I feel like it's the little things that can make a difference on a car. When you look at it, you're like, that one looks a little better than some of the others. You don't quite know why. Sometimes it's the little things that make the difference. I feel like this is going to be one of those little things. All right, guys, so this is the before with the chrome lug nuts. We're going to go ahead and do a hyperlapse, and let's go ahead and get these off and get the black ones on and see how it looks at the end. So this is the after right here with the all black lug nuts. And I think it looks really good. Let's step over here, look at the back, and you have what you see with the chrome versus with the all black. Definitely think it makes a huge difference. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. I think it looks fantastic though. Big difference. All right, guys, that's going to do it for today's video. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button. If you're not a subscriber, please consider doing so. And again, thank you to ACS Composite for the lug nuts. I think they just make a big difference. It's a small thing, but it does make a big difference. Also, I want to say thank you to Dad's Garage for the torque wrench, and appreciate it. Anyway, you'll be seeing more of Tim. Go follow him, Dad's Garage. Obviously, there'll be a link down in the description. Another one of the great friends that I have. Justin, Horsepower Obsessed, go follow him. Steve, Protective Dad Pranks, go follow him. And obviously, Tim, Dad's Garage. Anyway, hope everybody enjoyed this video. Have a great week. Peace.